Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get glass in ICARUS. First of all, go to the tech tree, tier 3, and make sure you got your concrete furnace, or above. Any furnace below this level is not going to smelt the items you need. First of all, you can use silica ore, which is just one silica ore to make one piece of glass. This is for me the most practical, because silica is found near these mountains, alongside these mountains, right here. Or the second option is to use some sand. I currently don't have enough sand, but 10 sand equals 1 glass, and sand is only found in deserts. Right here and here. So, I hope this helped you. Make sure to like and subscribe if it did. See you soon.